Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to update LibreOffice in 2026. Keeping LibreOffice updated is important because new versions include security improvements, bug fixes, performance enhancements, and new features. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once the application launches, click on the Help menu located at the top of the screen. Next, look for the option called Check for Updates. If your version supports automatic update checks, LibreOffice will search for available updates online. If an update is available, you'll see information about the latest version. Follow the on-screen instructions to download the update package. In some cases, you may need to visit the official LibreOffice website to download the newest version manually. Download the installer that matches your operating system. Once the download is complete, close all LibreOffice applications before starting the installation process. Next, run the installer and follow the setup wizard. The update will replace the older version while keeping your documents and settings intact. Wait for the installation to finish, then launch LibreOffice again. Now verify the update by opening the Help menu and checking the About LibreOffice section. This will display the current version installed on your computer. If everything looks correct, you're ready to use the latest features and improvements available in LibreOffice. Finally, consider checking for updates regularly so your software remains secure, stable, and fully compatible with modern file formats. And that's it. You've successfully updated LibreOffice to the latest version and ensured you're using the most up-to-date release. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.